Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Chevrolet Spark in this fantastic Caribbean blue color. You will not lose this car in a parking lot. This is certified pre-owned. As well, you will have the balance of factory warranty. It is a clean Carfax, meaning it has no previous accidents. It's extremely fuel efficient, a 1.4 liter Ecotec engine under the hood. So if fuel economy is important to you, you're looking to leave a small footprint, this is definitely an excellent car to consider. Taking a closer look at the interior, it is a hatchback style, so you do have ease of access. For a subcompact vehicle, you do have a considerable amount of space. It's quite deep. Also, you do have the addition of the 60/40 split folding seats if you need more cargo space. Room for 2 passengers in the back with a nice little cup holder in the middle. Stepping into the front, we do have some nice standard features, including Bluetooth for hands-free calls, which you can access right on your steering wheel. Also, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I love this feature. You can connect your smartphone right to the vehicle and access your apps so you can drive hands-free. You have air conditioning as well. Kilometers are just 18,783. So that's a quick look at our 2019 Chevrolet Spark. It is a fuel-efficient vehicle, clean. It is a previous daily rental, so it's been well maintained and has had regular cleanups. So that's an advantage to you there. If you'd like more information on the Spark, please visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com or give us a call or a text at 905-725-6501 and come experience the Spark for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.